Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is take 2 of ranking every number in existence because the website crashed last time. So that's great. But anyways, yeah, if you didn't know, these are all of the numbers in existence. There are no other numbers. These are the only numbers that exist. If you hear about a different number, that's a lie. So I assure you we will be ranking every single number here. Starting from the first number, 1. If you get first place, that's good. But this is the loneliest number, so I'm going to give it D tier. And according to that same song, 2 is just as bad as 1. Or something like that. So, yeah. I'm going to rank it just below 1. Because I'd rather get first place than second place. 3, F tier. That's the number of sides on a triangle.
Triangles.
Now we have 4. Now 4 is a very interesting character because he screeches you and then he kills you, and then he also can kill you. You can just distort the laws of reality for no apparent reason. He's a silly guy who also has godlike powers. A tier. 5. It's a cool number. My pop-up likes it. So, B tier. 6. Yeah, okay. This is the highest number you can get on a die, on a 6-sided die. So I'm gonna put it in A. Oh, apparently not. You can get 7, according to this image. So 7, it's a lucky number, and I like being lucky. So I'll give that A. 8. I don't like how this number is spelled. E-I-G-H-T. That doesn't make sense. C tier. 9. I don't know if the tail is supposed to curve or not. And it's not like it's 7 where I don't know if you should put a line through the middle, because if you put a line through the middle of 7, you're a psychopath. 9, on the other hand, I don't know. So, it's not like the different ways to write 1 where it's just different degrees of laziness. So I'm going to put 9 in just above 8, as it should be. 10. So 1 plus 0 is still 1. Therefore, 10 is just 1, but you wasted a 0. 11. You know, fun fact, when I was 11 years old, I was 11 years old. So, yeah, B tier. 12. 1 plus 2 is 3. I don't like the number 12. 13 is my mom's favorite number, but I don't like being unlucky. So, why is it lagging like that? Why does it do that? I don't like being unlucky. I'll give it C tier. Number 14. What do I even say about this number? It's hard to rank every single number because what do I do with this? It's 14. What's special about the number 14? It's like 7 times 2. B tier. Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. Yeah, I don't know. Burger King foot lettuce, I would not want to eat that. I'll put it in D tier. 16 is the age where you can legally drive, and driving traffic accidents cause death a lot, so F tier. I was born on the 17th of May, so I like 17. 18, yes, this image is the one I used for 18. I searched up 18, like what I have here for 8, and then I put teen, and this is what came up. So I just screenshotted the screen. So yeah, no one cares. 19. What do I? Okay, so apparently 19. 9 plus 1 is 10. So this number is equal to 10, which is equal to 1. So it's just a more wasteful 10. So I'm actually going to put it below 2. 20. I love icosahedrons. S tier. 21. This is the age where you can legally drink poison that makes you want to drink more poison. A tier. Geometry Dash 2.2. Pretty good update. Wish I didn't have to wait 7 years for it, though. S tier. 0. Useless number. Why would I ever want 0 of something? Unless it's like brain tumors, in which case, yeah, I want 0 of that. But, I mean, yeah, no, yeah. -1. I prefer positivity. C tier. Nan, this isn't even a number. Get it off my list. X. Why did they put the alphabet in math? It's not supposed to be there. I mean, to be fair, this is the coolest the coolest letter of all time. But as a number, this is not good, and shouldn't exist. C tier. Imaginary number. I don't know what this, I don't understand. B tier. Half. I don't want to be chopped in half. C tier. Pie. Very tasty. A tier. 25. It's very easy to multiply 25 by stuff. I'll give it the slightly below 5. 34. This is not appropriate. 42. This is the answer to life, the universe, to everything. According to the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, or whatever. So yeah, pretty good number. I'm going to give it a S tier. 63. This is the scariest number. All my BTD6 fans out there will understand this. Yeah, there's a lot of ceramic balloons. Yeah, like a lot of them in like a really small space. It's pretty hard to deal with. I don't like it, and even the developers know it's hard. So D tier. Next up, we have 69, the funny number. It's funny. A tier. 100. I had a friend I went to school with one time who, in like one of the first grades, like kindergarten or first grade or something, who thought that this was the biggest number ever. Like, ever. And it is pretty big. B tier. 256. The 8-bit integer limit. So, yeah. It says 255 plus because 0 counts as a number for some reason. So, this is very limiting for 8-bit games. So I'm going to put it in D tier. $360. I like circles. Please don't crash. That's the shape a pie is. So I'll put it just below a pie. No, I want pie. 420. Don't do drugs. F tier. 660. Ah, it's the devil. It's the devil. Ah. Emergency. Dial 911. Okay. The thing about 911, I don't know whether to put this in a high tier or a low tier, because it depends on whether you think of 911 or 911. So, we're not allowed to call this number, so that's, like, unless there is an emergency, so that's great. D tier. This number is supposed to be by order of size. 1 million is smaller. I want to be a millionaire. I know I never will be a millionaire, though, which just makes me, and now I'm just sad. So I'm going to put this in. And also, if you have a million of something, that's a bit, besides money, that's, like, very excessive. D tier. I mean, not, that's C tier. Like, who needs a million of something? You're just going to flood the everything. And next up, we have 2,147,483,647. This is the 32-bit integer limit. Very limiting for 32-bit games. Like, you obviously need more than 2,147,483,647 of something if you want to have enough of it. So, this is going to go just above a million. Zillion. This is a pretty big number. I like it. It's about a few million times more than a lot. So, it's pretty cool. Also actually makes use of the number Z. I mean, the letter Z. Don't make that a number as well. X is already enough. So, I'll put it... So, this gets, like, B tier. Google. It's a good search engine. A tier. Googleplex. Apparently this number's big, and apparently you can't write it down on a sheet of paper, even if the sheet of paper is the size of the universe. But look, I have it written down on this tiny little square. Take that. Take that. C tier. Next up, we have Tree 3. Very creative. How did they come up with this? Seriously, I have no idea. B tier. Graham's number. I don't know. I know it's big. Bigger is better. So, Rayo's number. Apparently this is like the biggest defined number. However, I have actually defined a number bigger than Rayo's number. That's right. Rayo's number plus 1. S tier. Sam's number. This is obviously the best number. It's a number that was so good that they deleted it from the Googleology site because it was just the truth of the universe. And obviously that's just too much for people's minds to handle. S tier. Aleph Null. It's just a slightly smaller, like, it's the smallest infinite number, apparently. Even, like, I don't, why would you make a small infinite number what's the point of having it infinity then? How does that even work? Whatever, D tier. It looks cool, though. Infinity. I really like the number infinity, even though it's technically not a number. It is, just a sideways 8, which is a bit lazy. But I think it is, so I won't put it in A tier, but I think I will put it B tier. And finally, we have the number, E. Now, I think I know just where this is going. And there you have it, folks. That does it for ranking every single number in existence. I put a very small amount of work into this video, so if you liked it, then make sure to like it because you liked it and that's good. And also subscribe. When I reach 500 octillion subscribers, I am going to become president of the United States. So, make sure to stay tuned for that and subscribe so you don't miss it.